Today we're building our Stratco two-door storage unit. It's 1680mm high. It's got a great depth. It's only 380mm deep, so it's part of our slimline range. Let's have a look how it goes together. The first step in building the two-door cupboard is really to grab your PPE. So I'll be building the unit today with gloves and safety goggles on. The first item we'll grab will be the rear wall and our two side walls. You can pick the side walls pretty easy by their depth, but they also have these notches in them, and these notches go to the front, and that'll help you locate the front door when we put that on in a moment. The first step is to grab this rear wall, and it simply overlaps in the channel like so. And then we'll put 3 screws in to hold it in place. So it's a good idea just to get a partner or a neighbour or friend just to help you hold it while you do that component. Let's have a look. Now it's time for the front wall, the 2 doors. And you can see here how we've just got these little bits protruding out, and that's what fits in perfectly into our notches here, and they're top and bottom. So we'll slide one side in like so, and then the other, and then that'll all be secured in a moment when we put the top of the cabinet on and then the base. So we're going to put the lid in. The front of the lid has these 3 tabs at the front. What we'll do, once it's in place, we'll push through with a screwdriver and it'll lock those tabs in. And the back actually has 3 holes that will screw off across the back. So this goes in from underneath, and as soon as it's in, you'll see that it locks everything in position. Done. We'll grab our screwdriver and push those tabs through, and then put our screws in the back. Now for the bottom shelf. The bottom shelf's notched at the front. It's got the 2 tabs, one on each side, and the back shelf has the same 2 tabs, but it's also got a screw hole for when we turn the cabinet up, we'll put a fixing through there. So we'll just pop that one in. What you will notice, actually just before I do that, the shelf sits on the outside of this lip, and it's also got the 2 lips on each side that it goes over. So I'll just pop that one in. To secure the base shelf, we actually tip the unit on its side. In this case, we put a drop sheet down just to protect the unit. You could use a picnic blanket or do it inside. We've got 1 screw to put in, which is just in the middle here. We're pretty much at our final step, so we're putting in these hooks now, which we'll put our shelves on. So just fit in like so, where the 2 tabs are at the back. And you can really position them anywhere you like. So we'll replicate that on the other side and then also on the front. And we're down to the most rewarding part. We're going to put the 3 shelves in, so I've evenly spaced them. You could use one of your cans of paint or a drill or a storage tub to achieve your spacing. Once we've got these in, you can start loading it up. Let's have a look. With your kit, you'll get a couple of these caps just to go over to cover those holes, one on the left and right. And that's our 3-shelf storage cupboard. It's a great product. It's pretty easy install. The last feature of the actual unit is that it is lockable, so you can put things in there that you need to protect, like power tools and bits and pieces like that. There you go. Thanks for watching.